Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. So it is just going to be another update video, and at this point in my Amazon FBA kind of career journey, whatever you want to call it, I'm kind of just waiting on answers about the setup process. And the reason I've not uploaded is, one, I just haven't really had the time and the right situations to record videos. Also, just during this time, while I'm finding out the answers to how a 16-year-old sets up Amazon FBA, it's kind of a bit foggy, so I can't really consistently upload. So I thought I would do an update video to tell you guys that I've emailed, like, not as many as I could do. Like, I'm definitely going to hop on and email some more now, but Amazon FBA UK sellers, I've asked them questions about how I can go about setting it up, just to give me a better idea, better understanding, so I can prepare for when I set up FBA, because I don't want to hop into it, not know what I'm doing, and then get it wrong. And I know that's stupid to say, because if anything does go wrong, I will find the solution, but I'd prefer to know before I started. I'm hopefully you guys are somewhat empathetic to that, and I know it can be perceived as procrastinating or not taking action, but I don't want to jump into it without a clue what I'm doing, how to set everything up, because this is a real business. This is legal. Things can go wrong. If worst comes to worst, I could be going to prison. That could happen with everyone who sells on Amazon FBA. If you don't do your taxes right, you get sued because your product hurts someone. There's so many things that can go wrong. So by just planning and understanding what they are, I can go into this fully prepared, and the Chinese New Year has given me a bit of a buffer. So I think it's not too bad that I'm not starting right now, because of the Chinese New Year and several delays that have come obviously over the new year. But I just want to keep doing these update videos. I will definitely keep doing them more and more as news comes in. So as of now, I have an email back from one seller who says I can use a debit card or a credit card. So that was obviously one of the main issues I was having, is can I use a debit card? Because I really don't want to learn a credit card, especially at my age. It's just something that I prefer not to have to learn. I hope you can understand that as well. So if that's true, I'm waiting on answers from 2 more people that I've emailed. You know, I don't expect an answer. I was really happy to get an answer from one of the people I sent an email to, sorry. So I'm going to email some more Amazon FBA UK sellers and just really get clarification on the different issues I was having. And one of those was credit or debit card or prepaid card, and the other is where do I use my details and where in the Seller Central registration process, because you can't see what you have to enter until you've got your limited company set up. So if I did all of that and then got to a stage where, oh, I don't have the right details to fill in there, I'd be screwed with a company. So yeah, just a little short update video. I want to make sure that you guys are informed on my FBA journey and just as an entrepreneur. And I've been watching a lot of Gary V. I mean, if you aren't watching Gary V yet, what the hell are you doing? But he's really just opened my eyes that these videos, even if I do miss an upload, I'm going to start doing these videos for me. So not worrying about creating content over and over again for likes and for subscribers, because I think that will come naturally. If I get it right in here, and I'm doing this for myself, so in the future I'm gonna love watching these videos back. You know, oh, that was the time I became an entrepreneur. I think that's fascinating, and for future family, for future kids, grandkids, they can come and watch all these videos. So I guess, hey guys, they can watch these and see my journey. And that's why I'm very grateful that I've started recording my journey and process so young. I'm 16. guys, and to be able to record and document the entire process is just phenomenal. So when I do have updates, good or bad, I will let you know. That's why I'm making this video. If perhaps I didn't watch Gary Vee's video, I wouldn't have made this video, because it's not necessarily well made. I've not got perfect lighting. I'm using my phone. I'm doing a selfie. So, but I just want to bring value to you guys. So there's a lot of you who are going through, or will soon to be going through, the same problem as me right now, and that is you want to be a businessman. You want to be an entrepreneur under 18. So I'm just going to ensure that I can help you as much as I can when I find the answers. So I'm going to keep you updated, and fingers crossed we can do this. I had a great coaching call with my friend, insane person. I haven't seen his face yet, but I can just tell he's super trustworthy. He stayed on a call with me for an hour discussing my FBA problems, and I felt like such an idiot, because just spilling out all the rubbish I was saying, it was just procrastination, and he didn't say, you know, I've got to go somewhere else, and he probably did, but he stayed on there and supported me, because, I don't know, that's just the great person he is. So, you know, even if it turns out he's like some crook, I don't know, I'm just being stupid, but, you know, the fact that someone could stay on a call and just hear me out about my FBA problems is just very grateful for that. So, once again, guys, I hope you're enjoying the channel. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated with everything, so that's what this video was. I have sent emails, I've got one back, and I'm going to go right now and send some more to really find these answers. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to share the channel. If you know anyone under 18 that you think would find this, my journey, valuable for them to get set up for themselves, then please give them my link, send them my way. That would be very much appreciated. So thanks very much once again, guys. I will catch you in the next video.